This video will show you how to remove the catback exhaust system on 2015 through 2021 3.5-liter EcoBoost F-150s.
So first things first, we got to get rid of our factory catback, and we're going to start by lubricating all of the hangers. And then there's two 13mm bolts on this flange here that we're going to undo as well. That will allow us to push the whole exhaust back and drop it in one big piece. If you are working on the ground, you might have to loosen that clamp right there or bring out the saw to cut this into a couple pieces. But again, since we're on the lift, we're going to take it out in one big piece.
Thanks for watching, and remember, for all things Ford trucks, keep it here at AmericanTrucks.com.